Sit down, girl. Won't you go home to your nana, go home to your nana, You're too young to be my lover, to be female lover. Oh, you must be 18 and over. Hey. Well, I've been checking you out, but you are too young, girl, Lord. And a girl like you will cause worries in the Rastaman's world. Cause if I pick you up, girl, it's pain and a misery for me. Cause you're a girl that is so rude as can be. Ladoy, go home to your nana, go home to your nana, you're too young to be my lover. Go home to your nana, go home to your nana, you're too young to be my lover. But you say, mix. Woman, you're pretty, but they dread no response. What I'm looking at is a life sentence. So, girl, you're ready, but they dread no cater. You're picky in a body, but young like our. Eyes like you want to touch your pan the corner. You are mad in your skirt up on veranda. We used to take life deep broad like our. When away you get it from, you possess the charmer. But you bant and want to chat. Cocotti want follow the girl young in her age, and that's a serious matter. Tease man every time and commit the most crime, but not pay them no mind. Why? Cause it's not the time to think about man, but the time to think about education. Y'all picking it, you better set up a plan for your future, Lord, no. Me say go home to your nana, go home to your nana, you're too young to be my lover. You're too young to be my lover. Can enough of them attack about you, and the champion bubbler, the champion bubbler, but you're young to be my lover. Too young to be my lover, oh no. Me say go home to your nana, go home to your nana, go home to your nana, You're too young to be my lover, oh no.